Hey everybody, Dan here with Learning to Smoke, and today I'm doing a product review, and we're going to be reviewing the Blacklock Skillet from Lodge. So Lodge, popular cast iron company here, they did send me this Blacklock Skillet here to check out. So what I'm going to do here is an unboxing, as well as give you a brief history, and then we'll cook with it too, and we'll highlight some of the features and benefits to it. And also, if you haven't already, please hit like and subscribe. Thank you. All right, so here's the box that this cast iron came in. This one is a 12-inch skillet made by Lodge. It's called Blacklock. Now, the reason it's called Blacklock is an ode to the early days back in, I think it was 1896 or so, when 1896 right there, when Lodge was originally founded. It was originally founded by John Lodge as Blacklock, and it stayed that way for about 20-something years. Nope, I lied. So I'm going to open up this Blacklock cast iron skillet that I got from Lodge here. Unboxing, I know, very dramatic. Just open the box and there it is. But the great thing about this box is it's lighter because this cast iron skillet is actually lighter than the traditional 12-inch cast iron skillet that you're used to. There's a little booklet that comes in here. And this booklet here looks like it just gives you the history of Blacklock here, or of Lodge cast iron. Anyway, so that's what's in the book. Also some tips and care as well. So yay! But let's get to the skillet. Okay. So initial impressions about this. As you'll see with this cast iron, like one thing that you cannot see on the camera that I'm feeling right now is that this is light. It is, well, lighter than I'm used to. I've got a 12-inch cast iron skillet right here, traditional Lodge cast iron skillet. But comparing the two, this one feels lighter. Another thing about this cast iron that I'm noticing here is that the walls are a little sloped, which I think is better for cooking. Compared to the traditional cast iron skillet. Also the handle. You'll notice here with the handle that it's curved up just a little bit, whereas with this handle here, like if you look level, well, you can't really look level in this angle, but anyway, this handle is lifted up just a little bit more, which I think makes it a little easier to grip and hold. Another thing about this cast iron skillet is that it has been triple seasoned, which is awesome. Also, the back of it looks like this. Now, the thing with this, you'll notice there's a number here. On the Blacklock series, you'll notice that they have different numbers set. This one here has number 39. And the significance to number 39 is for 1939. And that was, the company was able to make it through the Great Depression. And that signifies the end of that Great Depression. They, of course, were making their cast iron skillets, but a fun fact here is that they were also making like little gnomes, animals, little novelty items there to help them get through the Great Depression. So there's a little history lesson there. But as you can see, this thing's awesome. And here's a summary of the highlights. Now, I'm going to be cooking up some steaks here on this cast iron skillet. This Blacklock 12-inch cast iron skillet. So first I'm going to do some avocado oil. I love avocado oil. It's got a high smoke temp, 500 degrees. And then I'm going to also throw in a couple other items. Going to do some garlic. And some thyme. Got a high temp glove on here, holding this, moving around. I can already tell with this Blacklock skillet, this skillet's a lot lighter than what I'm used to. Sometimes after doing this for a while, my arm hurts. And I have to use my other arm to help hold it up. So anyway, there's something I'm confessing here I probably shouldn't, but I may not be the only one. If I'm not the only one, please let me know in the comments. Now you'll notice that this pan, it's not searing, it's not super hot. And I'm not going to do that because normally I like to do a reverse sear where I smoke it first and then I throw it on there for searing to finish off. but I'm just going to do the traditional method. I'm just going to like let it cook in the pan for a few minutes on each side, and then I'll let it get up to temp. Let's put that baby in there. You hearing that? I like doing this in a cast iron because you get an even crust. Some people like to just let it cook on the grates, and that's great too, pun intended. But I like to do it in the cast iron skillet because I like to have an even crust on there. That crust is a must. In crust we trust. All right, it's been a few minutes. I'm gonna flip this over. Get some good crust there. Looks like we're getting some good crust on the ends. The middle, not sure what happened there, but it's all right. Get some avocado oil and some of the grease from the steak under there. Yeah, baby. Switch that around a little bit too. See, I can do that with this Blacklock. It's awesome. All right, so what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna slice up the porterhouse. So the way I do that, cut down the middle here. Then I'm gonna cut like that. How thick do you like your slices? That's one question. I don't know. I like them like this, just a little more than pencil thin. But I'm cutting the strip side, as you can see. Excuse the wind if that's picking up on the mic. I'm sorry. So I cut straight there as much as I wanted to. Okay, let's take a look here, see what we got. Look at that. Is that how you like it? Rare, medium rare? That's my jam. You know what? I'm taking this one. To give you my final thoughts here on that cast iron skillet, that Blacklock, I really liked it. I really liked how lightweight it was, triple seasoned. Like the walls on the sides there, they slope a little more. Anyway, great skillet. You should definitely check it out. This has been Dan Phelps, Learn to Smoke. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you'd like. See ya.